Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder. A drag-and-drop app builder creates progressive web app, iOS and Android apps for your websites, or without a site, with elegant UI design and rich e-commerce functionalities quickly and simply. Many clients need the Judge.me review plugin for Shopify apps. Now it is available, besides multi-currencies, shopping videos, and more rich features. Now we introduce the way to configure Judge.me review for Shopify apps by using FluxBuilder, a no-code app builder easily and quickly. Sign in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select the Shopify app you created, or select the Shopify app in the Featured Apps section below. To begin, click on a product. Now we will configure to display the rating section. Here, turn on the Show Rating item. Then, on the side menu of FluxBuilder, open Features. In General, open Product Review. Here, open this guide to install Judge.me into your website. First, install the Judge.me plugin. Then, create an app on Judge.me. Follow carefully the full guide to configure Judge.me. And save the access token. Finally, set up review on the app. In Product Review, enable the feature to work on app. Make sure that the service is Judge option. Input the domain, and then paste the access token got from Judge.me guide into API key. Save the configuration. Use the build to build the app and view how the review displays on products. That's all. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you for watching.